controller. Okay, the higher the value of the current level, we will create more heat. Okay, suppose you are using electrode of 3.15 mm electrode. The current setting will be up to 80 amps to 100 amps. So you have to set a current accordingly, depending on the diameter of the electrode you are using. Provided a tongs and the tipping hammer. Always keep them ready inside. Keep them here ready before welding. Okay. Later on you can place them here in the folder provided at the welding. Today what we do? We will weld these two workpieces. These are my steel material, my MS flat of 40 mm, 40 by 5. The length I have taken is 50 mm. So we will weld them in the first configuration.